Okay, so
I
yeah.
have no confidence in this then.
No.
Welcome back to Outback Polaks. It's my dad's birthday today, which imagine being 40.
It's gonna be a good night though.
It would just be a recreation of his 35th birthday. Him running around naked.
Oh dear.
Hello.
What do you guys think about this party?
Very nice. Happy birthday, Paul.
Do you think it's gonna go crazy?
Not yet.
Running around naked?
Maybe.
It's a good
What do you guys think about this party?
Are you recording?
So good. It's like better than good.
How crazy do you think it's gonna become?
Pretty wild. I don't know.
Crazier than a priest at preschool.
That's not very funny. Okay. Mark, what do you think about this party?
I think the party's okay, like the people are okay, everything's sort of okay. The photographer, okay.
Do you think it's gonna get wild?
I think it's going to get wilder than it is now, yes.
Okay. Bye.
Outback Polaks, happy birthday! Thank you. Come here. This guy. Is the camera? Is this what are you doing? Are you knowing Kravchinsky? It's going to be crazy with his shots, with his top blitzes, with his dancing, with his DJing. It's bound to be one of the biggest events of the year. Useless.
Imagine being 40.
Ale nie tak blisko.
You look cool.
No?
You look cool. Ciao, ciao.
I haven't
What do
had
you think
time.
the party's gonna be like?
Fantastic.
Okay. Put your band. Go.
Happy birthday, Paul. I love you.
What would you like to say, Whaley?
Thank you so much
Say
for
he's a
inviting
loser.
us.
Say he's a loser. Imagine being 40.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Someone asked me to do a speech. So, if someone asked me 40 years ago on where I'd be today, I wouldn't have said anything. I was a baby. You ruined my dad joke! I'm gonna say it again anyway, because I spent a long time writing this. If someone asked me 40 years ago on where I'd be today, I wouldn't have said anything because I was a baby and babies don't talk.
Something about 3 eggs milk.
Thank you, Marocek, for ruining that one. Well, that's the dad joke out of the way. Okay. I'd like to thank everyone for coming here today, especially those that came from afar. My Melbourne peeps, my Adelaide tall peeps. Up on there. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming. I know it's a journey and a half. You live in Brisbane. You're like the closest one here. You live just there. I would also like to thank everyone that was here yesterday and today setting up. Thank you so much. I think it looks pretty damn good. Thank you, Isa. Thank you, parents. Thank you, whoever that came. Sabulas. Thank you. Your checks are in the mail, but it's Christmas. Australia Post loses shit. I am very humbled to see so many of you here celebrating my hatching, and I really hope you are having a great time and we're going to party hard. 40 years is a long time to go around the sun, and I hope it's less than halfway for me, as I still have shit to do. If I was to sum it up, 40 years, I would say that it's a roller coaster. There's a lot of ups, downs, sides, lefts, going around in a lot of damn circles. But there's always an end where you slow down and reflect on what has happened. I've had so many jobs and so many stories that I honestly should make a vlog. The last 2 years have been one of my hardest, and it was extremely difficult to handle. But because of a few people, I was able to jump through the hurdles and come out even stronger on the other side. I'd especially like to thank my parents. 41 years ago on a really hot day.
It was a Valentine's Day.
It was it?
Maybe.
It was just a once. You've put up. Amanda, this is your thing.
What?
Probably was Valentine's Day.
Kurva suhai. Sugola, did I say that right? I heard you say it the other day.
It's failed. It's okay. All right. I'd really like to thank my parents. You've put up with a lot, and you've always supported my crazy ideas. But honestly, you only have yourselves to blame for all of this. Isa, my beautiful adopted sister. You've definitely been to hell and back with me, and I really want to thank you for always being there for me, picking up the phone to listen to my shit. Chocha Marek. We've known each other for 24 years, maybe longer.
Feels like a lot.
It feels like a lot. And you are my brother from another mother, and I am so glad that when I come up with crazy ideas for us to do, you're always there ready to go.
I have my reservations.
But seriously, we nearly died on Mount Fuji. That shit was stupid. We need to do it again. All right.
It goes downhill from here.
Michael, thank you so much for pushing me all these years and guiding me. It's been a great ride, and there's way more to come. Thank you so much. Rebecca, who unfortunately cannot be here today, she has been my rock, and because of her, I'm hitting so many of my goals. And Lumi, you are 100% mine. You are seriously the spawn of the devil. There is no doubt in that. Your sassiness, attitude, bitchy, annoying personality, that's all me. I hope you follow all your dreams and don't let anyone stop you from doing what you love.
But maybe the police.
But unless you're a cop, Derek.
Probably going to stop you.
But seriously, let me get off your phone. It's melting your brain.
Yes.
There are seriously so many more people here, and there is a reason why you're all here. I invited you here for a reason, and I want to thank every single one of you because you're part of my life. There is only one more thing I want to say before we start partying hard. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. No, seriously, I'm nearly there. Come on. Get this shit going. Thank you.
Enjoy.
I thought that was me.
It is you in another 20 years time. Yeah, what does it look like?
donkey show.
Okay, donkeys.
We're going to Tijuana.
Enjoy the
Donkeys, yeah.
Enjoy the ride.
Read from the top.
Read from the top. Happy 40th from all of us. We hope you love your donkey ride. We all thoroughly would absolutely love it.
It says thought, but I mean, thoroughly is also
And you say the
We all thought. I can't say THs. Don't throw it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like donkeys,
There are
right?
many donkeys in Australia,
Do
so
that thing, Luke.
you can bring whoever you want. We can all go.
salami afterwards.
Imagine the vlog. Yes, we did it for the subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you.
Here comes the aeroplane.
Try this one instead.
You look like the kamikaze Outback.
Let's hope that doesn't happen. You could.
Thank you. This is really a dream come true. Apart from trying to be a train driver, I've always wanted to be a jet pilot.
I'll take it.
No, honestly, like, yeah.
Don't cry.
This
You can
is-
cry.
Don't cry.
I'm not crying. It's my party fight. I'm going to cry if I want to. No, honestly,
You can't have sex with the planes.
yes, you can. Yes, you
Holy
can.
mess.
My daughter's here. Honestly, like, I'm hitting so many goals this year, and this is another one, and it's been on my radar for such a long time. So for everyone of you to, I'm not gonna cry. For everyone of you to put together and tick another goal off me, this is gonna be a good vlog. Except the Iskra crashed at Amberley, at Archerfield, so I can't fly the Polish one, but this is just as good. So thank you so much, everyone. Can we please get drinks and party hard, especially Mroczek,
Pump the music.
ruined my dad
Get the
joke.
shirt to come off.
Thank you. Yes, Mroczek, shirt's coming off. Thank you. Dziękuję.